Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you the easy way to take chicken drumsticks and turn them into chicken lollipops.
Okay, so to make your chicken drumstick into a chicken lollipop, the process is not too complicated here. All you'll really need is, of course, your chicken drumsticks, a sharp knife, a pair of kitchen shears, some paper towel, and some tin foil. You'll see a lot of different videos online of ways to do it, but this is what I found to be the easiest way. So start with your drumstick, find the point here where the meat ends, and you basically just have bone. Take a sharp knife and cut through the skin and tendons all the way around that section. Once you've got complete separation there, all you need to do is take a piece of paper towel and grab the knuckle part. Paper towel will give you that grip you need to be able to rip that part right off. If there's any remnant there, you can clean it up with a knife. Of course, you want these chicken drumsticks to be able to stand up, so all you have to do to accomplish that is to come down to the knuckle here, figure out your angle where it's going to be straight. You'll lose a little bit of meat in the process, but not a lot. And just cut through the knuckle. Should cut pretty easily. And then just check again, see if it'll stand up. That one still leans a little bit, so we'll take a little more. Okay, that's standing up nice and straight now. Next step is to give us the lollipop shape. All you have to do to accomplish that is to pull down on the meat until you get that ball shape at the bottom of the chicken. And when you do that, you'll see there's this bone sticking out. And you'll see plenty of videos online that want you to dig down inside and separate that from the main knuckle and then try to slide it out. And what you'll end up doing if you do that is half your meat will be separated from the bone, and maintaining your lollipop shape will be difficult. And of course, if you eat a whole drumstick, that thin bone is within that drumstick and it's never a problem. So rather than try to dig that out, I just come down to the base of the meat and I cut that bone off. You may have some of these tendons showing. All you have to do on those is take your kitchen shears and trim them off. Next step, take a piece of tin foil, place it over the top of your knuckle, and cover up the knuckle and bone. That'll protect the bone from the heat of the grill and stop it from turning black in the cooking process. Here's our lollipops. You can season it with the seasoning of your choice before grilling. I've got Montreal chicken seasoning here for today, just a store-bought seasoning. So I'm going to sprinkle a coating of that on them. You can lift up the skin a bit if you'd like to get some seasoning directly on the meat. And then we're going to put those on the smoker on low for half an hour, and then increase the temperature to 400 degrees until they reach an internal temperature of about 185 degrees. All right, we're gonna get these put onto the smoker here, and then we're gonna put the temperature probe in one of them, just so we can monitor things from the app. All right, and again, we're gonna do this at low, which is 180 degrees for about a half hour, and then crank it up to 400 to get the skin nice and crispy. Probably 10 degrees before it's finished, we'll come out and put the glaze on the. All right, while the chicken's on the smoker, I'm going to prepare a little glaze to put on the chicken just before it's done. So I'm just going to use a store-bought barbecue sauce. I've got some Famous Dave's here, but whatever one you prefer is fine. And then I've got some of my homemade maple syrup. So I'm just gonna put that in equal parts, warm it up on the stove a bit, and then we'll glaze the chicken shortly before it's done. All right, the time has come to put our glaze on these lollipops. Just gonna take them off the grill, pop them in the pot of glaze here, brush that on there good. Put our glaze on, probably be another 10 or so minutes, and these will be ready to take off. Here's our final product. Just gotta let them cool a little bit and then just peel off that foil and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.